Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iTunes Store app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: open the app and close and again reopen it, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you start your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your date and time. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on date and time. You can see appears on screen date and time. Check to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is turn off any vision. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update your Apple ID details and sign out of the iTunes and back in. So guys, sign up to your Apple ID and sign in again, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iTunes Store not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without waste is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.